again, right? Yeah, so as usual, I'm going to wait, hold on. As usual, I'm going to what's going on? What's going on here? Please, you need to share this live. So stay here. I'm going to give you guys analysis of a coin that sounds like Bitcoin. We are going to carry our research on it, right? Before I proceed, so this my link on KuCoin is in the comment section below. That's my referral link, right? So one thing is, if you're using my KuCoin, so if you're using my KuCoin to subscribe, to register, my KuCoin referral link to register, you're going to be getting a bonus, a welcome bonus, right? And because you use my special link, right, you are going to be having opportunity on different rewards, right? On rewards. Yeah, the rewards are, let's say for example, their event coming up. KuCoin is actually going to notify you because you're using my own link, right? So that's how it works. It's a win-win situation. It's for you all. For you all to benefit on, right? So I'm trying to share this live session so that other people will also connect. Yeah. Let me share it on TikTok. Right. So let me show you guys this. I give you guys analysis. I give you guys Tau analysis. And let me show you guys what Tau actually did. Let me show you guys what Tau actually did. And let me show you guys where you are going to enter your next trade. Now, some of you may see that maybe this market is against me. This market is not really against me. I've taken profit since. Do you understand? I've taken profit since. So some of you that are following me, you will know that I give you guys this analysis. So some of you that have been following the live session I did here, when Tau was trading at $330, I gave you guys these signals, and you catch up with it. I told you guys that we are going to see a breakout here. From this breakout, Tau is going to $600. But you need to understand that this is a fluctuating market, because so for that reason, it's going to move. It's going to come back and retrace. And if you remember, I told you guys that for every single breakout, there's a retest. For every single breakout, there's a reset. Retest. Some people call it retracement. The market will come back, retrace, and come back, and Now, if you check in between this and this is a zone. So from down here, I already take my profit, and I know that Tau is going to come down. So for that reason, I take my profit. And when the market was consolidating into this, if you check here, this is 4 hours time frame. And when Tau was consolidating, I was looking for opportunity, for a breakout opportunity, either up or down. And I knew that there's gonna be a down break. So I take my profit from here. So what you see here is not really profit. Look at it. If you see here, if you come on high time frame, you see that I've already taken my profit. Look at it. I've already taken my profit here. So do you see? So look at where the trade peak. So my trade peak here, and I'm already in profit. So if you go on higher time frame, I think it's higher time frame. Go on a day time frame. Is it on a day time frame? Look at it here. Is it on a day time frame that you see it correct or what? Okay, no, not on a day time frame. Let's go back. So if you see here, look at it. I've already taken my profit. So what is happening here? I not really care about it, but let me just bring it back so that it will be accurate. So just here, I'm taking my profit here. So what is happening here is outside. So there's gonna be a breakout here. So I've already said this, that there's gonna be a breakout, and this breakout may come down to $151. So this is gonna be our next entry position. Let me show you. This is gonna be our next entry position on TAO. It's gonna be our next entry position. So I will advise you to enter at $160 instead of $151. So $151 down to $144 should be your TP. I mean your SL, right? So this is our major take profit. I mean entering position. This is gonna be our main entering position. Look at it. From here, this is where we are going to enter our position. So let me delete this, because the reason why I draw this line, because I was looking for a breakout. If we check here, let me zoom it. Look at it. Are you seeing it? They have taken light. Oh my gosh. Don't worry. Oh my gosh. Please bring my my internet. I mean, power bank. The strong, the big one. Yes. Where's my power? I'm not even charging my phone. Like, this is crazy. So I need to plug this. Oh, I just pray this phone charge. This phone that I'm using it to do live. I just pray it charge. It's not discharging, because sometimes it's just discharge, right? So if you check here, what I'm having here is I mean, look at it here. So like I say, my KuCoin link is in the comment section below. Using my link, you're gonna be getting some percentage from some bonus, right? So if you check here, inside this was a zone, and we have serious consolidation. If you go on 1 hour time frame, you see, look at it. You see that we have serious consolidation here before we see a breakdown. So this breakdown here, this breakdown you see here is coming down to what? This breakdown you see here is coming down to what? It's coming down to $360. So your entry position should be at $360. Now, there's a reason why I say, is this the next Bitcoin? For anyone that have question, please, if you have any question, please ask. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you click and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm always dropping information that will help you. Now, first of all, let's check what is happening here. Let's first check the history, or should I say, the information of TAO. Let's check TAO information. Before I check TAO information, let me quickly check this coin and see. Okay, this coin is performing well, guys. You can get this coin for future purpose, right? Strike X is a very good coin, very good coin. TAO, yeah, this TAO. Yeah, so I wanted to check the information of TAO, this TAO very well. Yeah, okay, let me grab this. Please, let me grab this picture. Let me quickly save it. Please don't forget, just like my live, guys. You need to like my live. Let me quickly post this somewhere. I'm coming, guys. Hold on. Hold. I love that picture, so I need to post it, right? Yeah, let's come back. So like I said, please like my video, subscribe, and the KuCoin link in the comment section below. Using my link, you are going to be getting welcome bonus. So let's first check the information of TAO. Look at the information of TAO. TAO is having a market cap of 3.8 billion dollars. Then Tau is having Tau is having 21 million supply, total supply. Maximum supply is the same thing, and then circulating supply is 10 million. Let's go back on let's check Bitcoin information. Let's check Bitcoin information. Checking Bitcoin here. Bitcoin have 19 million total supply. Maximum supply is 21 million, right? So the maximum supply of Tau and the maximum supply of maximum supply of Tau, and this is also maximum supply of Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin have a total supply of 93 million BTC supply, and then circulating supply 19.93 million supply. So that is the Bitcoin amount of Bitcoin that is already trading in the market in both centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges. Now let's check that of Tau and compare, right? So in Tau is just having 10 million supply. Amazing, right? So Tau is having 10.1 million supply. Meanwhile, circulating supply. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is having 19.93 million supply. But the maximum supply is the same thing. And then when you come to the price of Tau, okay, about oil. Okay, so do you see my screen? I'm trading gold. Just look at, I'm trading gold. Analyze gold. So okay. You put, I don't trade oil, but I don't trade gold, I don't trade this, but recently, just today, yeah, I've been analyzing gold, and for people giving them, and they'll be making profits. So today I decide to also do, just take a trade on gold. On gold, and I just make profits. so yeah, okay, bro, I'm going to do that. I will start doing live on gold. Doing live analysis on this. But for that, let me test run my strategy first. And there's a strategy I play out today, and it works for me. So let me repeat my strategy. Then from there, I'll start teaching you guys gold and oil and all of that. Do you understand? Wait, I'm coming. I'm trying to share this. I'm trying to share the live so that other people will also join. It's very important. Very, 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 very important. What's happening? Right, so just hold on with me. I want to share this live. Thank God, guys. I am logged, and you guys are also logged here, because I was having this thing. So Tau is actually a coin that I'm going to, I'm actually going to, like, I trust Tau. Like, I trust that Tau is gonna do well. I'm trying to share this. Just stay with me, please. Oh my God. Okay. All right, let's continue. Let's continue, please. Hello, guys. All right, so yeah, let's go back. Let's go back. So seeing what's happening here, I see a breakout here. Remember, I was looking for a zone. I was actually looking for a breakout because there's a consolidation here, a serious consolidation here, right? And I was just looking for a breakout, and the breakout just happened, right? The breakout happened just once. Sorry, check. I want to check something. I want to check something, right? Yeah. So I was looking for a breakout here. Remember, I said this is a zone. This is a zone. Hello. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining, bro. Is it Holy Saint? Thank you. For review. Okay. All right. So okay, yeah, so we see a breakout here, and from here I'm expecting Tau next entry should be here, right? So according to Tau information and Bitcoin, do you think Tau is going to, let's say not being like Bitcoin, but do you think Tau is going close to Bitcoin? Yeah, I'm very good, bro. I'm very good. Visitor up and down. Please suggest hold buy sell at 1,000. Okay, let me do this analysis first, please. You guys should hold on. Okay, I'm going to analyze Bitcoin, right? But hold on, where is Bitcoin? Yeah, I was analyzing Bitcoin earlier, but please. So, what do you think about Tau? What do you think Tau? Where do you think Tau is going to move next? Now, let's check more information about Tau. But there's something I can promise you. Tau is a very good project. It's a very good coin. It's a very good coin. Now, if you check, all-time high of Tau is 2 years, right? Which was 2024. And from that, the all-time high of Tau was $761. $761 here, right? Okay, I use KuCoin, right? I use KuCoin. So my KuCoin link is in the comment section below. Like, I drop it here. Let me just pin it. Let me just pin my link. I use KuCoin. Just check here. Oh, you're gonna see my comment here. You see my comment here. Wait, hold on. So yeah, okay, so I pin it. I just pin it. So I use KuCoin. Yeah, and using my KuCoin, you are going to be getting some percentage, a welcome bonus, that's for sure, right? So Tau, the all-time high of Tau is $767. And okay, Karen Josh, I was talking to you. That's my link there, and I said that if you use my link to register on KuCoin, you're going to be getting some percentage, right? Thank you very much for joining. I really appreciate it. Karen Josh, is that your name? Joshi or Joshi? Thank you. I'm so sorry if I pronounce your name wrongly. Yeah, thank you. So, yeah, if you check Tau just, the TG of Tau this is just 2 years ago. And from just 2 years ago, we are seeing Tau all-time high at $767. But I don't think on different platform, I think it's CMC that is showing this. Let's check on CoinGecko. Let's check CoinGecko, the price of Tau. Because on analysis, see analysis here. On analysis here, If you check, we have a very sharp wick here, a very sharp wick. Nice to meet you, Karen Shaw, Josh. Nice to meet you, bro. Nice to meet you. So if you check here, look at it. The all-time high of Tau was $1,247. Let me mark it. Let me mark it. So there's high possibility that Tau is going to come here, right? Very, very high possibility that Tau is going to come back to this place here. But now let me tell you another price that is very, very possible. Very, very possible that is going to happen to Tau, right? Just like what I told you guys yesterday. Remember, I give you Tau signal at $330 and Tau moved from there to $477. So if you get into Tau yesterday, day before yesterday that I gave you this analysis, you will be in a very good profit, right? If you trade with $1,000, you'll be making $444 profit, right? So that's a very good profit, right? And so let me show you guys a very, very, very possible trade signal that is going to happen. You can't miss this. You need to write this down, right? Tau, what we're seeing here is just a retracement, right? Just a retracement. So this is a breakout. Look at this. This consolidation, this Tau started selling here since December, since 9 of December 2024. Since last year. I'm from Nigeria. Karen Josh, I'm from Nigeria. Lagos, Nigeria. That's why I'm based in Lagos, right? Thank you. So Tau started selling here. That was on the 9th of December 2024. That's last year. And Tau sell. Let me show you. Let me show you the reason why I'm telling you that Tau is going to buy, strongly buy. All right, Holy Josh. I'm going to do that. I'll analyze BTC. I'm going to do that. Okay, this live is supposed to take like just 45 minutes, but I'm going to do more than that so that I'll analyze Bitcoin too. Thank you. So Tau started selling here. And look at the rejection. This was the rejection. And then Tau sell. And Tau was doing higher high, higher lows, right? We all know what higher high, low, lower low, lower lows and lower highs is. And then lower highs, and then lower low, right? Lower highs, lower low, lower highs. Then Tau sell started selling since last year till the pattern changed. This was where everything started changing. 24 of March 2025, right? Of March 2025. So from December to March, that is how many months? That is 6 months. Yeah, that is 6 months, right? That's 6 months. So we see change of character here. Okay. He said we show. I don't have this. What do you want me to show your? What do you want me to show my analysis? I mean my P&L. If you want to see my analysis, you don't need to take my trade, right? You need to first study me on my pages. I don't give analysis. I don't come here to tell you that after something has happened and I tell you that I've said it that this thing is going to happen. All my analysis are here. I will tell you that this is going to happen before it happens. If you want to know more, go on my CMC page. This is my CMC page, right? Oh, this is my CMC page, T Henry Digital World. Let me search it and show it to you. T Henry Digital World. You see everything I talk about Bitcoin happen, right? My analysis on Bitcoin happen, right? So I don't need to show you another proof. This is me. I'm verified on CMC, T Henry Digital World. Go there. You see my post. Look at this post. I post it here. This post. Look at it. Now, you are doubting me, right? Now, look at it. This post was on the 17th, on the 12th of August, October. This was my write-up. This trend will make you understand the current state and future position of crypto. Bitcoin as a major crypto coin, lead and other follow. I see where people take their life. So I talk about people taking their life because of the person is someone that committed suicide, right? I just feel that some people don't understand technical analysis, and that's the reason why they just panicking when the market pull back, and it's because they fail to understand, they understand the pattern of crypto since the creation of crypto. They fail to understand the pattern. They never study the pattern, understand, right? So, and here is my take on people that worry much. One, lack of crypto education. Yeah. So it's lack of crypto education that make people take their life or make people worry much if market, start dropping, right? They expecting a win-win. Life is not like that, right? So this alone covers everything because from crypto education you can know everything about crypto and understand that Bitcoin has been repeating same pattern every year, right? Or every bull run, right? If you see how the markets drop, there's a sharp week. Now let me just leave there. Let me show you about Tau that I explained here. Now if you go back there on my yesterday live stream, I said the same thing, right? So let's focus on the current situation of Tau. You need to understand that rejection is a powerful way of giving bull run strength to upgrade to continue. Find the best position now and enter. Tau is a good coin to buy, as I'm expecting it to break out and hit 800 680. Now that is the breakout. If you go down, you are going to still see my trade, my analysis that I dropped the Apple 100%. Do you understand? Yeah. So if you come here, this was the breakout that I was talking about when I gave you guys when I posted this thing that I just read here. Tau was trading down to 200 and something dollars. So the day before yesterday, I gave signal again on Tau, and it was trading at $330. And the breakout I just mentioned inside this my block here just happened here, right? So I don't need to show you my trade for you to my account for you to know that I know what I'm talking about here, right? Yeah. Karen Josh, please, I don't need to remove my account, and I'll be showing you this is my account, this is my profit, this is my my balance. This is no, I don't do that, right? So what do you need to be like? What do you need? Do you need to use my money? No. What do you need? You need analysis. You need signals that you use your money to enter and make profits. That is it. To enter and make profit. So if you see someone that is giving you signal, the first thing you need to do is don't enter that signal. That is, if you come across someone for the first time, don't enter that person's signal. You need to study that person's signal to see if that person's signal is playing out. The person don't need to show you his own profits, his own P&L for you to see his own account. People can even go and manipulate and show you demo account that they are trading. You look at it that is real, but it's not real. Will you be satisfied? So the most important thing you need is study that person and see if this person's signal is playing out. Do you understand? If that person is the person this guy is wait. Let me block this guy. Oh, let me block this guy. He's distracting me. Let me remove him. Yeah, remove him. I don't like people like this. You come here to insult people, or you come to gain knowledge. I'm giving you knowledge. So let me continue what I was saying. When you come across someone for the first time, don't use that person's signals. Study that person and see if that person's signals are playing out. That is what you need. That's what you need. You really need that, right? Study the person's signal and understand if that person's signals are playing out. Everything is transparent. If the person's signal did not play out, yeah, the signal did not play out. So if you call 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time, the person don't know, come on. You don't need to even try that person's signal for once, right? So before you enter my signal, go on my page, on my CMC page, go on my CMC page, study my signal, my updates there. You then go to my Twitter, you see me on Twitter, study my Twitter there, my Twitter signals there, right? Study my Twitter, my signal, my post there. Then after you see them playing out, and here you can start taking my signal. That is how it works, right? So down here, Tau dropped from December, from the 9th of December, almost the beginning of the year. The beginning of the month, right? 9th of December 2024 down to 24th of March 2025. That is 6 months. Right now, we have change of character here. Look at this. Look at it here. Now, look at it here. I'm going to analyze this, give you guys a very perfect analysis. Now, when Tau starts rising, start recovering, Tau completely dropped down to $186 from what? From $657. Tau dropped down to $186, right? And Tau started recovering. But guess what? When Tau got here, so when Tau got here, what happened? Tau actually rejects. So you see, Tau rejects from here, and we have rejection. If you calculate the candlestick rejection that we have here, we are on 1 week time frame, right? So one candlestick take 1 week. If you are on a week time frame, one candlestick take it 1 week for it to complete, right? So we have rejection here. We have rejection 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4. That is one month. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 1 month. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 months. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 months. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 months. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is what? That is 5 months. On 5 months, Tau was rejecting, right? Rejecting to break out. So it takes Tau 6 months to drop down from here to drop down from here to there's some of these guys are distracting me. I think I'll off this comment section. So when Tau started dropping from 9th of October of December down to 24th of March, that was 6 months, and then it started recovering again, but refused to break out. And this rejection happens here in 5 months. Now, on the 5 months to 6 months, then we have a very sharp drop here. Now, let me show you something. If you come down here, mark from this change of pattern here, mark this here, because this was where everything start changing, right? Everything start changing. Now use a horizontal line to mark this here. So see, when we have a very sharp drop here, that drop that affects Bitcoin, that affects every other coin, and stuff like that. So when we see it here, it's reject here, and this rejection was to respect this key level, right? And then Tau moved back, and that was when I was telling you that we are expecting a breakout, and that breakout happened. So what we're going to see here is just retracement. It's just a pullback, right? So Tau is going to come down here, pull here around $360 to $351, and then Tau will peak from here. If Tau peak from there, Tau is going to come back to around 470 something dollars again, and we may see a consolidation down there, and Tau is going to break out. So what I'm going to tell you is this down here is a liquidity that Tau actually created. So the drop of Tau here was actually liquidity that Tau was creating. So Tau is going to go back and cover this liquidity, right? So this breakout here is going to continue. It's going to be a bullish. Now this is going to take place maybe starting from next month, which is November, then till towards that December time. So all my bags, I'm going to be taking my profit on December, maybe December 10 or December 15, right? Because from that December, a lot of people will start selling their bag to celebrate. I'm coming, guys. So don't forget to use my link, my coupon link. If you use it, you are going to get bonus, right? You're going to get bonus, right? Oh my gosh, I talk much. I wanted to do live more than 1 hour, but I think I'm just going to use 40 something or 50 minutes, something like that. Come on, guys. So I'm expecting a buy here. First buy. There are 2 buys here, right? So here, I'm expecting a buy here. A buy here. Is there any need of deleting this? I'm actually using this to teach. I'm actually using this to teach somebody. So I don't want to delete this thing. But this is still respecting this zone. It's still inside this zone. But there's gonna be a breakout. There's gonna be a breakout. It's this key level that is respecting. So it will just touch here, go back at 390, and then it will completely break down here, and then come back and peak here. All right. So let's say, let me show you guys something. I'm not sure. Let's say that we see a breakdown here, then the market come back here and peak, right? Now, instead of going up and continue going up to go back to our trade, it continue coming down, and then it go above our stop losses. The next entry position is not far, and that entry position is very, very important. In fact, it's even an opportunity. It may seem that you are going to lose money from here, but it's a very good time to buy. Price can come back and fill this. Price will fill this imbalance. It is the imbalance we are talking about. Price will fill this imbalance here, but it's not now. That is future imbalance. It's not now. Except it's not this imbalance you are talking about. Is it this imbalance? Is it this imbalance? This one? This week? If it is this one, let's watch out and see. Price will come back. Tau may come back here and fill this imbalance, but not this year. Okay, I think it's this one you're talking about. So the next move here, next entering position is not going to be far at all. It's gonna be around this, and it's going to be a very sharp one. And if you enter this one here, if you catch this one here, then you are going to what? You are going to recover very, very fast. Very, very fast. You recover your losses from here to here, and then you make profit, because look at your losses from here to here, and look at the profit from here to here. No, up. And look at the profit from here to here. You see? So it's going to be a very good one. So from here, I'll just hold it down to around $600 for sure. But trust me, Tau is moving to that, to that area, 500 and something dollars, $590 something to $600 for sure. It's going to get there, right? So yeah, let me check something here. This guy make me remove this thing. He make me remove this. If you want to come live here with me, you can request, or let me know if you want to share knowledge, allowing people that want to also come live here and share their knowledge. So if you know that you have knowledge to give, I will give you this platform. Just send me your mail. You can just drop your email and I'll write to you. Right? And I'll write to you. Right? And I'll write to you. What's this corner I want to check? Okay, Tau. I think it's Tau. Then from there, we have a date that will go live together. Then from there, you share what you have for us, right? Wait, there's something I want to check. There's something I want to check. No. And another one, say, aside from technical analysis, Tau is actually having a lot of, Tau is, the influence of Tau now is growing so big. Like, oh my gosh. I'm coming, guys. Oh. Okay. Kryptonite. Okay. Yeah, so if you want to share your knowledge, you can send your mail. Then I'll send you, give you what is required for you to come here, and you share what you want to just share what you want to share, text what you want to share. Then you come here, we have a date. Then you come here and share your knowledge, what you want to talk about, right? For other people, this I'm trying to say something like, what's going on? Tau. Oh my gosh. Look at people posting about Tau. Oh, there's something I want to quickly show you guys. I'm not seeing it at all. Oh my gosh, gold is actually pumping. So I take gold from here, from this week, and yeah, I make profit from there. I think I need to analyze gold now. I think I need to find a very good position for me to enter. Oh my gosh, shit. Look at gold. Look at where gold is going. I think the best time is to just enter the position. So the reason why I don't want to go on another one is because I'm almost done on this live. My life here is just 40 something minutes. 40 something minutes to 45 minutes to 50 minutes. I am done with my life. Oh, let's see. I am done with my life. Yeah, so let me just check other things. Let me give you guys some coins, some other coins to get in. So yeah, BGB is a very good coin. Yeah, this coin, StrikeX is a very good project. Very good project. Yeah, I invest in stock. StrikeX, right? So I'm holding StrikeX, very strong. Holding it. Maximum supply, total supply, maximum supply 872 million. That's circulating supply. Maximum supply 1 billion. That's crazy. Total supply 1 billion. But it's actually doing well. Yeah. CoinMarketCap invest in it. Is it CoinMarketCap or Bits or Binance? No, I think CoinMarketCap. CMC. CoinMarketCap invest in this project. Invest in this project. Guys, so I'm done with my life. I think I'll be going live tomorrow again. So tomorrow we are going to be talking about what are we going to be talking about? Okay, I'll just share it out there. So thank you very much, guys. Thank you for joining. Thank you guys for joining. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for joining. Thank you for your contribution. For those of you that drop positive messages, right? So you can just go on my CMC and my Twitter. Just check my post there. Analysis. It's first check and see if my analysis are playing out. Yeah, then start using my analysis. You're gonna make profit for sure. Gonna make profit, right? So see you guys. Bye for now.